伦敦玛丽莲买了件旗袍送妈妈，莫斯科的富斯基爱上牛肉面疙瘩。陌生熟悉都是可人情，不用距离。
В последнее время в Казахстане появилось очень много антикитайской пропаганды, антикитайской истерии. Люди пугают друг друга какими-то слухами о китайской экспансии, о том, что китайцы массово переезжают в Казахстан. В связи с этим я решил поговорить с самими китайцами, вообще, что они думают о Казахстане, какое у них восприятие Казахстана. Китайцы поделятся своими мнениями, своими мыслями о Казахстане. И, возможно, после этого видео вы будете воспринимать китайцев совсем иначе. Так что, ребята, давайте посмотрим. Казахстан. Okay, and how?
I is pronounced love is pronounced I.
Yeah.
And you is me. Okay?
So can you say it again?
Kazakhstan, that is your country. Kazakhstan. And I love you pronounced 我爱.
Yes. Can you say it quickly? I should. Kazakhstan, why?
Yeah.
So is Kazakhstan far from China?
Sorry?
Is Kazakhstan far from China or not? Kazakhstan. Yes. Have you ever? It's not far. Kazakhstan is a neighbor of China. It's a neighboring country. So you know him?
No, because he joined the singer and the
Yes,
performer
yes.
in China.
So he's very popular in
Yes,
China.
very popular.
Do you like Dimashi?
Yeah.
Oh, he's wonderful
Yeah,
and
wonderful.
amazing voice. Yes, do you agree? And the question is, so do you like Kazakhstan?
Because I only know this country through
Mhm.
Dimashi, so yeah.
So you like Kazakhstan because of Dimashi?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, he is.
I think I know much
Mhm,
information about that,
Mhm, mhm.
and maybe forming a good relationship between two countries
Mhm.
never come to a bad thing.
Yes.
So I think maybe if we could keep the good relationship between two countries, I think that's good.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe we could exchange so many students and
Mhm.
know other countries' culture about
Mhm.
that, and if possible, could we contribute to the economy, whatever for the China or the Kazakhstan.
Mhm.
Just about that.
Yes, I agree with you, Thomas.
I think we can improve the cooperation
Mhm.
and create more opportunities for international trade. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Maybe we should, for example, develop, provide tourism in Kazakhstan, and Chinese tourists, they will come to Kazakhstan, they will see beautiful places, Kazakhstan.
Yeah. And we should build more infrastructure
Mhm.
and between the China and Kazakhstan.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So you agree with me that Kazakh people and Chinese people are friends, and they should be in friendship.
Yes, I definitely it should be friend.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So you know how it will be in Kazakh language? Kazakhstan, I love you. For example, China, I love you. Not China, Zhongguo, Waini. And in Kazakhstan, in Kazakh language, it will be Kazakhstan,
Yeah.
мен сені сүйем.
Мен jealousy.
Kazakhstan,
Kazakhstan
мен сені сүйем.
means Nancy.
Yes.
Yeah.
High five, man. Kazakh people and Chinese people are friends. Do you agree?
Of course.
High five.
Maybe a star from Kazakhstan could help our know much culture about your country. It make a connection of two countries. Like maybe before we know this star, maybe we seldom know your country, but because this star appear from our TV show, we can know your country's culture, maybe more information from your country.
So you think that friendship is very important for
Yes,
Kazakhstan and China?
yes, yes.
And what do you think if Kazakh tourists come to China?
Tourist.
Now, if Kazakh tourists come to China, do you support this idea?
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Welcome.
So you'll be glad to see Kazakh people in your country. And what about Chinese people? What's the perception of Kazakhstan, for example, from Chinese perspective? So you regard Kazakhstan as a strategic partner or not?
What do you mean?
I mean a strategic friend.
A friend? Yes,
Yeah.
of course. I think two countries have good relationship, and both in politics area or some other make entertainment area. So I think two countries is in a friendship relationship. Friendship.
Yes.
And you guys are so awesome. Handsome. Sorry. Handsome. Like you.
Kazakhs are handsome.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I'm really glad to hear that.
He's very surprised.
It took me by surprise, ladies. Okay. 中国我爱你
Thank you.
Yeah.
Welcome to 中国.
Thank you. Во всем мире, в США, Южной Америке, в Европе, в Азии, люди либерально, толерантно относятся к приезжим, к туристам, к иностранцам. Почему? Потому что люди понимают, что все эти туристы-иностранцы, они позитивно влияют на развитие экономики, на развитие туризма. И поэтому они их встречают, они их обслуживают, они им улыбаются. Я считаю, что в Казахстане есть все предпосылки, есть большой потенциал для развития туризма и экономики в целом. И мы должны пользоваться этим. Мы должны уважать всех, и неважно кто это, японец, китаец, американец, вообще не имеет никакого значения. Мы должны просто понимать, что эти люди, которые приезжают к нам работать или туристами, они положительно влияют на развитие экономики в нашей стране. Поэтому, ребята, прошу вас, меньше агрессии, меньше негатива. Давайте уважать тех людей, которые приезжают к нам. И вы увидите, что мир вокруг нас начнет меняться. Мир станет еще ярче. И жить казахстанцы будут лучше, намного лучше. Давайте меняться, ведь мы, казахстанцы, все-таки цивилизованный народ. До скорого!